Hi, I wanted to show you my most recent thrift haul. I'm inspired by the other local YouTubers in Las Vegas who I watch. I just wanted to share. I definitely don't have as much knowledge as them or as big of collections as them or as big of channels and fan base and all that, but that's okay because I still feel like I can share and I might be able to help people, and at the very least we can have a discussion about the things that we're finding. This is actually from 2 thrift stores. I went to 2 thrift stores in one day. Like this here is a billy mouth big bass fish. It works. It might benefit from a new battery. It seems a little limp, but it's probably been sitting on the shelf for a while or something, so I will give it a little refresh. I paid $7.99, or really I paid $4 because it was orange tagged that week. So I got them for $4. I think I can sell them for like 25 to 30. This one, it's really pretty. I love the glaze. It's a pottery piece. It's signed, but I can't quite make out the artist's name, so maybe if I take the sticker off I can figure it out. I paid up a little. I paid $6 for it. This is a piece that I would keep around like in my bathroom because I kind of have these turquoise and teals in my bathroom. It does have a little kind of scuff more to the glaze and some imperfections that aren't really that noticeable. I wouldn't call that a scratch, more of a little glazed scuff. Anyway, overall, it's in pretty good condition, like really good condition. It's beautiful. It's very heavy too for its size, so it's pretty thick, and I feel like it's pretty high quality. It might just be a project piece, but I do like it. I think the colors are beautiful, so I did get it, and I'm gonna I'll probably list it for 20 and see what happens. So next piece, I found these paintings. No, they're prints, I think. They're not paintings, but prints. They're framed. The frames are a little bit older and kind of janky. Not sure how old. Maybe like 90s. I think the prints are vintage, I'd say, definitely. And I thought they were like really romantic and fun and energetic, and I can't tell if, I thought that was the Eiffel Tower in the background. Maybe, or maybe it's just a building resembling that. I can't tell if it's like Argentinian or Parisian. There's just something fun and exotic about it and romantic. So I thought they'd make a great trio to go on like a gallery wall for somebody that had like an eclectic home or vintage style in their home, or just like an artistic gallery wall kind of thing. But I wish I knew the artist. I looked on eBay and I found one other piece on eBay it seemed to be by the same artist, but they didn't have an artist name listed. It just said 20s to 30s, like as in 1920s art print or something like that. So I don't know, might just list it and see what happens as well. Maybe I'll list the 3 of them for $25, $30, 25 to 30. See if anyone snaps them up. Next is this purse that I found. It's really cute. It is called Kipling. I'm not like a purse brand expert. It has like this little guy on it. It looks like a purple, kind of grapey purple gorilla charm that hangs there. I guess he was actually part of the original purse. This color definitely matches like the strap. It's clean. It's pretty clean on the inside as well. And I don't know, it's just a really cute like purse. Does it have a little bit of wear on it? Maybe. So I guess I'll disclose that in the listing. I paid $12.99, and I think I saw that these can go for like $50, so I'll list it for that. Listed around $50. Next, these Corningware food storage containers. They're pretty simple, but they are high quality. Corningware As we know, it's a great brand. It's in the French white. They can go in the oven, they can go in the microwave, they can go in the fridge. They're great for food storage. In fact, with Thanksgiving and Christmas coming up, I don't know if I'm gonna sell these, resell them. I got them for $3 each, and I'll probably, if I do decide to resell them, I'll probably list them for like 15 each. And this owl, he's really cute. He's a hoot. He is a essential oil warmer. You can put a drop or two of your essential oil in here, maybe with the carrier oil mixed in, and then light a little candle, place that in there, and it makes your house smell like your essential oil. And yeah, he's cool. He reminds me of the 70s. I love owls. I actually have a bunch of owls on a table over there that I'll show you later. I don't think he's branded, or if he is, it's covered up by the sticker, but yeah, I paid $4 for him. And I'll probably ask $17. I found this flower frog, and I think that's what it is. It's in this, it's probably silver plated kind of holder. I'm not sure why. I guess that's a base for an arrangement, possibly. So I think you can get about 20 for a flower frog, but because it's in this kind of neat holder, I'll ask 25, and I paid $5. So pretty fun find. And speaking of owls, I did also find him. He's really cute. He's just like soft. I paid $2 for him. He's got these beautiful Halloween colors. It's getting pretty close to Halloween, so I don't know, I might just decorate with him and then put him up like in my owl sale later if I do an owl sale, because I do have a bunch of owls. I'll put him with the others in a minute and show you the whole group of owls. Okay, and yeah, then comes to these candlesticks that I found. These are pretty gorgeous and awesome. Some of this stuff, it's very hard to even think about selling it because it's just really pretty and, you know, nice and worth keeping around. And I would like to keep it around, kind of. The style of it reminds me of either, you could say eclectic, which almost all my stuff is, it falls into like whimsical and eclectic category, or boho. But also you could call these like gothic, because I could see them in like a very dark sort of gothic house, you know. Even they'd be nice for Halloween decorations as well. This one has a little crack in the wood, I just noticed. It's tiny. I don't think it would affect, you know, the function at all. I weighed these. They're each 2 pounds 7 ounces. So they're heavy for what they are, and they have this carved kind of effect here. Well, they are. I think they're hand carved out of maybe teak wood or mango wood. I don't really know what kind of wood it would be. They are Bombay company, and I did pay $6 each for them, so I paid $12. Yeah, these are cool. I think you would want to put like a pillar candle on, or like a candle that goes up about this tall. And I think these could go like on the floor near a fireplace, or maybe on a table. It would be up to your individual taste and, you know, area where you have to decorate with them. I did I say this already? I paid $6 each, so I paid $12 for both, and I'm probably gonna ask $40 to $50 for them, for the pair. It is cool that there was a set, or, you know, there was a pair of them and it wasn't just one. I was pretty happy to find them. And then, yeah, I grabbed these plates. They say Debbie Mum. I need to clean them. They're a little grungy. I liked you know, this border caught my eye. And what did I see that a set of 4 of these were worth? 30 to 40, I believe. Maybe I saw that one was selling for 10 or 15, a single one. So if I have a set of 4, yeah, that might be worth 40 because they're all in good condition. And it's kind of a unique and rare print, I guess. You know, it's not that common to find them around. And the next thing, and I don't know if this was a smart or a stupid buy. I don't know if I should have done this or not, but it's kind of an experiment. I know people like, you know, the cottagecore and they like the country living and they like crochet and embroidery and cross stitch now. It's kind of back in. It was orange tag day, so I paid 4 for them. And there are 5 embroidery hoops here. Most of them have like some kind of a duck pattern. So I guess that's like your printed out pattern that you then, you know, cross stitch onto to make that embroidered thing. And I can tell from the back of this one that it has that as well. But one seems to be empty because I can see my hand through it. That one is missing its cloth. But yeah, I don't know what these actually sell for. I think I would list this whole group for like 25, because somebody who's into crafting and that type of thing might really enjoy this, especially if they like ducks and birds too. Also, I did grab this hat, and I was thinking that my son might like it when we go on hikes. It was orange tag day, so I got it for $1. Just nice for blocking the sun. I liked that it says National Parks Conservation Association. I liked that it's this sort of foresty green. We do like to go hiking in the woods sometimes when we get the chance. So even if he doesn't like it, I might actually wear it because I tried it on and it does fit me. It seems like it's a one size fits all. It's very thin and lightweight, but it's fun and nice, again, like I said, for a day in the woods or something like that. Here's the current owl table that I have. I was thinking of doing like a little owl sale on Whatnot, but I don't know, because Halloween is coming up so soon that I might just continue to collect owls this year and then do the owl sale like next year around Halloween. I don't mind keeping them around for now. I have this one. He's like a cool like 3D open work like pendant. I think he's probably vintage. I think he's probably vintage from the 90s or early 2000s. He has like these faux pearls inside and he shakes kind of like a rattle. And yeah, he has like a chain. The chain has a little bit of discoloration on one spot. I don't see it now. Maybe right there. Not a big deal, but yeah, I wouldn't need to disclose that. I don't know, he's kind of cool. You could always replace the chain. Then I have this guy. He's like I think he's a paperweight or a shelf sitter. He's brass. His brand name is called Action, made in Taiwan, so definitely vintage. He has a couple little areas of, I don't know if that's like a patina or if that's some sort of rust or discoloration, but he has a couple areas that just look like a little bit of an imperfection, but that doesn't bother me. I think that adds to his character. Of course, I have this guy that I showed you already. It's just like a lightweight plush with some, that feels like hay decoration and some like button eyes and just little wings like applied to the sides. I don't know. He's very textural. So like if you feel him, he just feels cool and interesting. And I like his little burnt orange felt hat with the little hay tip or whatever that is, straw or something, I don't know. It's just cute. It's very well done and very autumnal. And then, yeah, I have this owl, another figurine, shelf sitter. He has very stunning green, kind of like, probably just acrylic plastic eyes. I think he's made of resin, but sort of made to look like wood. The way the resin is like painted, almost looks like a wood grain. And he's got a substantial weight to him as well. I really love him. I don't know if I want to sell him. Like I said, I might just keep him around for a while and think about reselling him next year. This is just a cute little owl planter. I bought him from a whatnot seller actually myself. I think it'd be fun to put a little air plant or succulent in there, just because I love owls. So we'll see. I might list him though. And then yeah, you already saw this guy. That's about it for now. So you saw the haul. The only owls that were in this most recent haul were this one and this one. That's about it for this haul. Let me know what you thought, what you liked, and if you'd like to purchase anything from me, send me an email at wildfindingz@gmail.com. Wildfindingz with a Z @gmail.com. Just let me know what item you're interested in and send me your name and your email address, and I'll send you an invoice. And then once it's paid, I'll send you the item. I'll ship it right to you. So yeah, other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll share my next haul with you too. Go ahead and subscribe and check back and see what I've got to share next time. I hope you're finding some wonderful and wild findings out there. Adios.